Christmas decor makeover, high-end look on a budget.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Modify House. I'm so glad you're here. This is the place where we bring every season to life through beautiful, creative, and budget-friendly decorating ideas. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy autumn living room, a festive Christmas corner, or a fresh spring look, I'll share easy ways to transform your space into something truly special. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's start creating a home that changes beautifully with every season. Don't forget to subscribe and join our little design family. Let's make every corner of your home tell a new story.
Introduction: a high-end Christmas on a budget. Welcome back to Modify House. The holidays are here, and that means cozy evenings, festive lights, and of course, decorating our homes. But let's be honest, Christmas decorations can get expensive, especially if you want that elegant, designer look. That's why today we're going thrift shopping and giving old, forgotten items a brand new life. By the end of this video, you'll see how to create a stunning holiday home that feels warm, high-end, and completely unique, all without draining your wallet. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and share your favorite Christmas decorating traditions in the comments below. Why thrifting is the secret to holiday style. When it comes to Christmas decor, thrifting isn't just about saving money, it's about finding treasures with character. Think about it, the items you find in a thrift store have a history. They might be vintage, handcrafted, or simply overlooked pieces that, with a little creativity, can shine again. Unlike mass-produced decorations from big-box stores, thrifted finds allow you to build a holiday style that's personal and full of charm. Planning your holiday vision. Before you even set foot in a thrift store, it helps to know what kind of holiday vibe you want. Do you dream of a classic Christmas with deep reds and greens, or a modern look with silvers and whites? Maybe you love a rustic farmhouse feel with wood and burlap. Having a theme in mind will guide your shopping and make your final decor look cohesive, like it was designed by a pro. Smart thrifting strategies. Walking into a thrift shop during the holidays can feel overwhelming. That's why you need a sharp eye. Focus on materials that naturally look high-end, like glass, wood, metal, and ceramics. Skip the flimsy plastic unless you have a DIY plan for transforming it. Look for sturdy wreaths you can refresh, candle holders you can polish, or ornaments you can repaint. Always check the clearance bins too, sometimes the most overlooked pieces have the most potential. Transforming ornaments into luxe pieces. One of the easiest thrift flips involves Christmas ornaments. A box of outdated, scratched, or faded baubles might look like junk, but with spray paint in gold, silver, or matte white, they suddenly feel chic and timeless. Add velvet or satin ribbon instead of the old hooks, and suddenly you've got ornaments that could pass for designer pieces. For extra sparkle, try using metallic leafing or glitter to highlight just a portion of the ornament. Reinventing wreaths and garlands. Wreaths and garlands are holiday staples, but brand new ones can cost a fortune. At the thrift store, you might find tired, dusty versions that just need a little TLC. Strip off the faded bows, fluff the greenery, and weave in some fairy lights or fresh foliage. Add pine cones, ornaments, or ribbons in your chosen color scheme, and you've just created a custom wreath or garland for a fraction of the cost. Centerpieces with character. A beautiful centerpiece instantly elevates a holiday table, and thrift stores are filled with possibilities. Think old silver trays, brass candlesticks, or vintage bowls. Fill them with greenery, candles, or glass ornaments, and you'll have a stunning table display that feels expensive but costs next to nothing. Mix textures, shiny metals, soft fabrics, and natural pine for a layered, high-end look. Lighting, the magic ingredient. Nothing sets the mood quite like lighting. Thrift stores often have lanterns, string lights, or candle holders that can be repurposed for Christmas. Even mismatched items can look elegant if painted the same color or grouped together. Combine soft fairy lights with natural elements like branches or pine cones to create glowing accents around your home. Lighting not only brightens a room but also adds warmth and coziness that makes everything feel festive. Elevating with natural touches. Nature is free, and it pairs beautifully with thrifted pieces. Gather pine branches, berries, or dried oranges to tuck into arrangements or place around candle holders. These natural touches bring fragrance, texture, and authenticity that store-bought decor can't always replicate. Pair them with thrifted glass jars or ceramic bowls, and you've got decorations that feel straight out of a holiday magazine spread. Avoiding common decorating mistakes. Here's a secret: high-end holiday decor isn't about having more, it's about having balance. Overcrowding a mantle with too many small pieces can feel messy, while sticking to a few bold items looks polished. Keep your color palette tight, and resist the temptation to buy every holiday knick-knack you see. Editing your decor is just as important as styling it. Remember, less is more when you want that luxury look. Example thrift flips you can try. Picture this: a thrifted glass vase filled with eucalyptus branches and fairy lights, or a set of old wooden picture frames painted gold to create a festive gallery wall. Maybe you find an outdated ceramic village set, painted all white for a snowy, minimalist display. Even worn-out stockings can be refreshed with new trim or embellishments. With imagination, every thrift find has the potential to become a statement piece. conclusion, your holiday, your style. And that's how you can turn secondhand treasures into a high-end Christmas wonderland. By shopping smart, adding personal touches, and focusing on quality over quantity, you can create a holiday home that feels warm, stylish, and uniquely yours, without overspending. I hope this video has sparked ideas for your own thrifted holiday makeover. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, give this video a like, and drop a comment sharing your favorite thrift flip idea. Wishing you a beautiful and creative holiday season.